Alright, here we are, we're up on a gutter cleaning and we're showing the gutter tool helps us clean the gutters. So you can stretch out here and to get by the brackets. Push that back, save us a little time. Kind of a nifty tool, eh? Gets right under those brackets there. See if we can do that further down, on the downspout. That'll be the real test. All these tools is, what's great about them is somebody has thought about that one difficult spot on the job that you just can't quite get around, or you need to speed up. It seems like sometimes the whole job comes down to those one difficult or a few difficult areas, and that's where these handy innovations, these tools come into play. And I think I can see the use of this tool. Well done. Yeah. Job done here. Cheers on the Lord. Gutter cleaning. Right. Well, keep on working.